So today we're here at Caldwell Park by KB Homes. Now today we are going to be touring the Plan 2070, which is a 2-story, 3 to 4 bed home. So don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is May 11, 2025, and today we are here at Landings at Caldwell Park by KB Homes, okay? So just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're about 25 to 30 minutes west from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. We are in the highly desired West Summerlin area. This is one of the most prestigious areas in all of Las Vegas. There's plenty of things to do around here, especially outdoor activities. We're really close to Red Rock. We have shopping centers close by. Again, very popular area. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So now this community offers 4 different floor plans, all ranging from 1832 square feet all the way up to 2466 square feet, okay? Base prices are they range from about $521,990 all the way up to $611,990. Now, what could make the base price change depending on the model that you want, the elevation that you choose, because they usually have 3 different elevations. Now, that's just how the exterior looks. And they also have lots with smaller driveways. So they have some with 5 feet driveways and others with 18-foot driveways. So that could also affect the base price as well, okay? As far as lot premiums go, now if you're choosing a lot with a 5 feet driveway, lot premiums are gonna range between $7,000 to $15,000. Now, if you choose a lot with a standard size driveway, those lot premiums are gonna range from $11,000 to $45,000, okay? Now, upgrades here at KB, this community has really nice standard features compared to the other landing collections around the city. So I would say upgrades, buyers are probably putting in about 6 to 9% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Other things about the community, you guys, there's 97 single family homes here, but there's also a mixture of townhomes in the community as well. Well, the master plan is $60 a month. You have the HOA that's $65 a month, and there is a SID assessment here, guys. So if you're unfamiliar with a SID, I'll post a short video that I did, so you could check that out. But the SID is going to be $340.33 every 6 months, okay, until the balance is completely paid. Then you no longer have to pay that anymore. All right, but yeah guys, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the 2070 square feet plan. Now this is a 2-story home, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is well, if you're looking to do choose a lot with a 5 feet garage, the base price is $546,990. If you want the standard size garage, it'd be $571,990. So the paver driveway is included. Desert landscaping is included as well. The only thing that won't be included is the your backyard is going to be a dirt lot. So the HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Now we have the 8-foot door. So the beautiful thing about this community is that you're going to have 9-foot ceiling on the first floor and the second floor. Okay, most landing collections around the city, you have to upgrade to the 9-foot ceiling on the first floor because its standard is 8 and 8. Okay, cool. So right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. Oh, nice. This is actually open, so I could kind of show you. So you'll have a water softener loop, a tankless water heater as well. Okay. Looks like you get a little bit of storage space here. Now also too, this door, that is not included, okay? They don't even make that option. That's just, these are the model homes, so construction workers need to get inside, so they put that door for them. Okay, and then we have the stairs that go to the second floor. Now welcome to the main living area, right? Now a very, very common upgrade that most buyers do is they're gonna change the flooring on the first floor, because standard, you're gonna have carpet everywhere except for the wet area. So the wet area is gonna be the kitchen, the bathroom, the entryway, and the laundry room. So you'll have like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. But if you wanna do vinyl planks, you wanna do tile all throughout the first floor, that is optional. Okay, we got the optional waterfall island, which is great. Now I believe this kitchen package is like the built-in cooktop, that is standard, right? So we got this microwave here, and it does vent outside, you guys. Okay, got the beautiful quartz as well. This is optional, as well as this single basin sink. Now the standard is a stainless steel single sink, which is also really nice too. You also got the double oven, right? Whirlpool. So you have the Whirlpool appliance package. This is going to be your pantry, nice walk-in pantry. Now the refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, all right? But if you'd like to add that when you're building your house from, when you're picking out your options, you can definitely do that. The prices are pretty competitive, so it's not, I want to say they're kind of in line with the retail stores. So you got plenty of windows here. You're gonna allow for a lot of natural light to come in. I also love that the powder room is tucked away in this corner. Okay, pedestal sink, toilet. And you also have this window right here. So let's see what's going on over here. So we got a linen closet. We also have a coat closet. All right. Got the covered patio. Covered patio is an upgrade. Okay, so just remember the lot sizes here, on average, I mean, if you're gonna have the standard, if you're choosing a standard, a lot with a standard size driveway, average lot square footage is about 3,300. Otherwise, if you're doing like the 5-foot driveway, then it's gonna be about 2,800 lot square footage. Okay, also too, this wall is textured. As you can see, you're also got the ceiling is gonna be textured as well. Energy saving comparison. So KB is very energy efficient in the way they build their homes. And then also too, just in case you want to take a picture of this, these are all the upgrades that they did to this specific house. So just in case you're watching the video and you're curious to know if that was an upgrade, you can definitely pause on that screen. All right, let's head to the second floor. So as soon as you walk in, you have this really nice size loft. You have your laundry room, your primary bedroom. And then we'll check out the guest bedrooms first. Okay, so we got the 3 bedrooms here. Let's check out this full bath. So you got dual sinks. This quartz material is standard in the bathrooms. So plenty of buyers actually just stick with this type of quartz in the bathroom to save some money for upgrades, but it looks nice. So you got the shower tub, okay, fiberglass, this is standard. These fixtures are optional. Okay, got a medicine cabinet over there. Yeah, in the other KB Landings communities across town, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, but there is no option to upgrade it to 9-foot. Okay, so welcome to this bedroom. This bedroom feels more like a 10 by 10. Okay, you got your standard closet. Every room is gonna have a smoke detector, and in the hallway you're gonna have a smoke/CO2 detector. Okay. So this is the other guest bedroom. Looks like we have a walk-in closet for here. We'll look outside the window. Guys, so yeah, they just started this community. Again, they're gonna be building out here for I would say like at least a couple of years, but area is really nice. West Summerlin. Look, as you can see, this community like backs into the mountains. Cool, so this is the other bedroom. And then also, let's see here, you notice we have the flat corner edging. Okay. Yeah, really nice sized loft here. So we're gonna have your laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included, but you could also opt for upgrading for some cabinets if you'd like as well. Cool, this is a smart panel box. This is where you connect your internet router and your modem. Hey guys, if you're watching this video and you're curious about visiting a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Now, if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Guys, just do not go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you give them that, they're gonna log you in their system as having no representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So very, very important that you get yourself some representation, especially because we're very familiar with the process, so we could kind of walk you through it. We know when to negotiate, and we're your guide, right? So a lot of buyers are not too familiar with how the process works and what they can and can't do. So that's why we are here. So we got the upgraded, so we're in the primary bath. We have the upgraded walk-in shower, okay? You have your dual sinks right here. Have your toilet room. And then you have your walk-in closet. Have your attic access right up there. All right. Guys, that wraps it up for the 2070 floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions, you're curious to know the incentives, you're looking to get the best deal with new construction homes, give me a call, shoot me a text. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.